In this video, we'll show you how to change the parking brake shoes on your Nissan Altima. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Nissan Altima safely. It is now necessary to release the parking brake in order to clear the grip of the parking brake shoes on the disc. Sometimes this is not enough to remove the disc. You will have to remove the shutter cover located on the disc with a flathead screwdriver. You can now reach the adjustment mechanism of the brake shoes and retract the brake shoes until the disc is free. It is now necessary to remove the caliper assembly. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Nissan Altima. Then remove the disc. Sometimes the disc may get stuck on the hub. If this happens, use a hammer to remove it. Now you can see your car's parking brake shoes. Using pliers, remove the upper spring. Then remove the adjuster. Then remove the bottom spring connecting the two brake shoes using a fork. With a flathead screwdriver, rotate the hold-down pin a quarter turn to release the hold-down clip. Then remove the front brake shoe. Perform the same operation on the rear brake shoe. You can now remove the rear brake shoe from its slot. Clean the brake backing plate with a wire brush, brake cleaner, and paper towels. Grease the bearing surfaces of the drum brake shoes with copper grease. You can order the drum brake shoes used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new rear brake shoe. Install the rear brake shoe in its slot. Now you can put in the first hold-down pin. Perform the same operation on the front brake shoe. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Take the bottom spring. Using the flathead screwdriver, put the bottom spring in place. Before reinstalling the upper spring, the brake shoe assembly must be centered on the backing plate. Take the new adjuster. Apply silicone grease to prevent corrosion over time. Then assemble the adjuster as shown in the video. Put the adjuster back in place between the brake shoes, paying attention to the direction of assembly. Put it back in the same position as shown in the video. Then put the upper spring back in place. Then clean the contact surface between the brake shoes and the disc with brake cleaner and paper towels. Clean the wheel hub with a wire brush, brake cleaner, and paper towels. Reinstall the brake disc. You can now reinstall the caliper assembly. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Rear Brakes Nissan Altima. Set the mechanism back until there is a slight friction between the brake shoes and the disc. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Attention! Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to push the brake pads together again. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.